Alright guys, so I'm here right now. I'm gonna tour the Vine on 8th apartments. I've always wanted to see these apartments. They one of my friends do live in this, so she did comment on one of my YouTube videos, so I was like, you know what, let me go check it out. And plus it is so close to everything like Fremont and stuff, so let's go check it out.
You've got your Luxor boxes for packages.
You guys, they have a pool, which is really nice. This is the garage that the Vine owns. But yeah, this is the pool, you guys. Look how it's pretty clean. Not bad, huh? This is the building that I'm going to tour right now, so I can't wait to see what's inside them.
And they also have these cool little kind of like community areas that you can, and then they just finished doing our courtyard. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, they're still
I
working
like
on
that.
our courtyard. Use that particular machine because this floor is the only one that has the machine to load up your
Community, yeah.
Every floor has a community room.
I like that.
Oh.
So this one here is starts at 915.
915. Okay. So this one starts at 915. Selected applications. If you move in by the 15th of October.
Got it.
Or at least apply by the 15th of October.
Yeah, this is really nice.
The closet is really cool. They're not all like that. From this you've got your bathroom. Your bathroom is a really good size as well.
Yeah,
and then I'm gonna take you to the 2023 renovation.
Sweet.
You can tell.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Yeah, this one's only $1,045 too.
Wow.
And you get half off for the first couple of months.
Wow.
That's super cute.
So cute. Wow. So that's the closet. This is the kitchen. You can have a small table. Wow. This is really nice. I love the finishes.
I know.
Oh my god.
And these are all brand new appliances. The 2023 renovations have not
wow.
had anybody use the appliances in these.
This is really nice. This is so cute. Wow. Brand new. This is all brand new.
¿Quieres un agua?
Sí, por favor. Gracias.
He is. But yeah, he came from the 211. I know, right? Isn't it beautiful? I love it.
Very nice.
Uh-huh. 15 or half off. Se va bien.
This is nice.
Coming up soon. Yeah.
And then how much does this one go for?
This one's $12.95.
$12.95.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. For one bedroom?
For one bedroom. So naturally. Yeah. This one has a. And this one. A mí se me hace que este ya está rentado. ¿Ya? Ajá. Ajá. They gave us parking passes for.
Hey guys, so they do have complimentary parking for any future residents. It's right here and the building is right there. So you do have parking, so don't worry about if you have to park on the street or not. You do have parking for touring these apartments, which, oh, they're so freaking pretty. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so they have those bikes that you can rent right in front of the apartments. That is a high school right there, so you definitely have to be careful because every time they come out, you have to watch your speed. Hey guys, so I just finished the tour at the Vine. Oh my god, you guys, those places are so freaking nice. Like, all the apartments that she showed me were so freaking pretty. The upgraded one is probably like my favorite one. So right now the studio 1 bath is going for $915 to $1045 a month. The 1 bedroom 1 bath is going for $1295 a month. 2 bedroom 1 bath is going for $1450. And then the current special is half off first and second month's rent with an additional look and lease special. And then it says the application fee is $55 per adult and an administration fee of $150. Then it says applications can be submitted in person or online at the vineon8th.com. Income requirements are 2.5 times the base rent, and they also do a credit and rental history and background check. They are pet friendly, a limit of 2 pets per apartment under 35 pounds. The pet fee is $250, non-refundable, per pet, and monthly pet rent of $25. And then the security deposit begins at $250 and it can go up to 2 times the rent of your desired apartment depending on credit and rental history. There is, now listen to this one because this is the best part. There is a $49 parking fee per household and a wait list may apply. So renter's insurance is required at move-in for all approved applicants. And you guys, go see Virginia. Do the tour with Virginia. She is so down to earth. If you have any questions, she will answer it. So definitely go with Virginia. So yeah, you guys, right now the Life is Beautiful is happening. So it is very crazy right now downtown. Every September, every year, Life is Beautiful comes. Me and Richard went twice when we went at the 211 for free because they literally right in front of the 211. So right now it is crazy. A lot of roads are blocked off, so it can get very insane. They do have a massive stage right behind the Vine apartments. They are definitely going to feel a lot of the music happening, let me tell you. Now let's check to see how far everything is at. You guys, one of my subscribers, and I hope you're watching, here you go, she's from California and she asked me to do Trader Joe's and see how far it is. All the apartments, like the shared downtown, the Beaumont, the Vine, pretty much they're all so close to each other. Stacks as well, Stacks apartments, they're all close to each other. I think they're about a 2-minute drive from each other. So let me do Trader Joe's. Alright you guys, as you can see on the map, Trader Joe's is pretty far away, but the closest one I would say is this one right there. That is a 15-minute drive. I actually go to this one. This is the one that me and Richard go to. It is a very nice one. It also has Winco so close to it. So let's see, Smith's as well. There we go. All right, so right now the Smiths, I would say go to this one. That is a 14-minute drive right now. Or if you want, you can go to this one. It is 11-minute drive. That's the one. All right, let's do Target. There is a Target right on the strip, but trust and believe me, you do not want to go to that one. So I would be going to either this one, which is 15-minute drive, or let me see what other ones are there. You can go to this one. This one will be a 17-minute drive. Yeah, there's not really a close one. I think it would have to be this one here. This one, yeah, the 15-minute one on Maryland Parkway. That is just in a little bit of a shady area, so just letting you know. All right, let's do Walmart. All right, do you notice how downtown there's not really like a close one? It's always so far away. So let's do this one. All right, that's a 16-minute one. This one is a 15-minute one, so it's just about a minute apart. That one is a neighborhood market one, and then this is the super center, which is the 16-minute one. All right, let's do Albertsons, which I know which one will be close. There it is. That is 7 minutes, you guys, but we've gone to that one. I would say that area is a little sketchy, but I feel like if you need something quick, that's the best one. That's the one that me and Richard sometimes go to when we don't want to go to Smith's. Normally we do go to Smith's, but yeah, we've been to this Albertsons. Not so bad, but a little sketchy. All right, let's do the strip. So the Paris. All right, so that one is 24 minutes from where we are right now. So that's the blue dot, and that is the Paris, and right now it is 24 minutes. It is going to be crazy right now, because I would say from now until the end of November, the F1 is coming, and it is causing a ruckus, let me tell you. A lot of the people that live here on a yearly base are freaking hating it, because they are destroying the strip and they're closing up so many freaking places that it's just backing up traffic like crazy. All right, guys. Okay, one more thing. Let's do IKEA. All right, so right now, woof, it is 3:30. So right now, IKEA, it is 31 minutes away from downtown to IKEA. So that's a bit of a drive, you guys. Let's actually do the airport. How far is the airport? All right, so the airport is actually 24 minutes from where we are. It is it's kind of going towards like Mandalay Bay. So it's all right, but IKEA is a lot further, but yeah. All right, guys, so that is it. I hope you like the Vine on 8th Apartments. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you do really want to tour those places, like I said, go to Virginia. She is just so friendly, down to earth, will answer any questions that you have. But if you have any questions for me, let me know down below. And also, let's get this video, guys, to 50 likes. I know you can do it. You guys are a champ. Honestly, you guys, I really enjoy interacting with each and one of you. You are so cool, and yeah, so let's get this video to 50 likes, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next apartment, you guys.